It's October 9, 8:30 a.m. Temperature's about 70. I am at 12340 Farmstead Drive in Frisco, Texas. And if you watched the earlier update, you knew that we had a problem with our concrete pump. It broke down. We were originally going to start pouring concrete at 7 a.m. and the pump truck broke down. So they sent us another pump truck out. But what happened when it broke down is the concrete contractor had to cancel the 7 a.m. delivery of concrete and then reschedule once the new pump arrived. So we've been waiting. It's now 8:30 and our first concrete truck just showed up. So we're going to pour about 230, 240 yards of concrete on this job. It's going to take about 4 hours to get the concrete down and then another 5 or 6 hours to finish it. Finish it off, get it smooth, get it troweled out. And so we'll be here all day with this project. But give us another 15 or 20 minutes for all these guys to get this set up and going. They got a crew here of about a dozen guys, and we will be pumping concrete and we'll get some shots of that.